guys, welcome to Chiang Mai. This is the Saturday night walking street. It is huge. I know that. It is busy and parking costs 50 baht. And lucky to find a spot. Whoa, that's nice, huh? Nice octopus and squid, hot dogs and pork, kebabs. It is insane. It goes everywhere. I'm going to take a look around, see what I can find. These places are not all that exciting to me normally, but hopefully it's better than the bazaar. That place is a joke. It's looking better so far, that's for sure. Look at all the people, man. Where is he? There are people here from just about every country in the world. Which is pretty cool when you think about it, you know?
Stay there. So I stayed there for a little while. And then that...
A little bit of everything. Chicken legs on a stick, you see that? It looks really good. The kebabs are very popular. I don't know why they're not. They're never very good. Nice looking sausage. Tiny little flip flops. Look at this, huh? There's more people than there is things to buy. Wow. Check this out. A part of the street is no smoking. 5,000 baht fine if you get caught smoking down here. Check this stuff out. Look at the detail. Amazing? Yeah, just a little. There he is working. Oh, he's got the tiny little hammer. And a few chisels that look like they're made out of nails. Some of them. Amazing, yeah?
Hello.
Hello, sir. You are a craftsman. I tell you what, beautiful. Unbelievable, huh? It must take days to make one of these. Check this out. Soap carvings. And there she is doing it, huh? Unbelievable, man. How come I can't do anything like this? No skills, that's why. Unreal, yeah? That is something else. That's where we came from. A long way. There's got to be thousands of people here. Hello! That's going down this way. No end. I know, as far as you can see. And now there's a T. Going that way. And this is what's down the T. Amazing, amazing, amazing seafood. We actually ate here. I did a separate video on that. We had some crab and squid. Very, very delicious. I'll put that video in the cards here, and it'll be at the end of this video as well if you want to check it out. Food was amazing. go in, pick your plate, tell them what you want, and they cook it up and bring it to you. Music was just blasting in here though, that was the problem. Too loud, even too loud to be comfortable sitting there in my opinion. But so much food down this, almost like a back alley. Busy but not really busy, you know, busy enough. There's some of the live music. But the food was amazing, I tell you what. Did it get busier? It might have got busier. Found some more food. He's watching me, I can see him. It's busy, that's a good sign. Wow, look at all the elephant paintings. See that? Right. There's a guy in here cooking, wearing a Wayne Gretzky jersey. How good is that? Food looks good too. Hard to see, but this guy's doing glass blowing right here. Right in the market. Don't know what he's making. Oh, all these little... Look at this stuff. I'll have to zoom. He's got a lot of people here. Look at all this stuff. Wow. And they're making it right here. Unbelievable. Just the wind chime, but when you look at the time and the detail in it, wow. And she has a few all hanging from one umbrella. Pretty cool. Holy man. Check this out. I've been here before. I did a morning market tour right there. It wasn't nearly as busy then. Look at this. Few people, a lot of food. Yeah, I think so. That's not the walking street. It's hard to tell. It does overflow up there though. Unbelievable, man. So many people here. It must be something in the high season. Crazy place. I tell you, we had a good feed, squid and crab. One of the crab wasn't that great, but the other one was really good. I'll link that video into this one. That was a really good feed. Best part about being here, too many people for me, man. Just way too many people. It's just bumper to bumper everywhere. Literally. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see what the next one's going to be. I have no idea. Hopefully, less people. Gotta go find my truck now. So you want to drive in Chiang Mai? Probably shouldn't. Fun, yeah?